Most AI design tools feel like a guessing game. You type a prompt, cross your fingers, and hope something usable comes out. But what if AI didn't just generate images? What if it actually finished the work? Today, I want to show you a tool that feels less like software and more like a creative partner. We're going to start with a blank canvas, a rough idea, and watch how it turns into a complete, ready-to-post visual system in minutes. No hype, just the real workflow. Here's the problem most creators face. You have ideas. You know what you want to communicate, but turning that into polished visuals takes time, tools, and usually a lot of back and forth. And when you're posting consistently, that friction adds up fast. That's where Lovart fits in. Not at the end of the process, but right in the middle of it. I start with a simple creative direction, not a technical brief, just a clear idea. Within seconds, the canvas fills with multiple visual directions, different layouts, moods, compositions. This isn't one image, it's exploration. And that's the first, wait, this was made with AI? Lovart isn't guessing, it's thinking through design options the same way a human creative would. Now let's say I like the design, but the headline doesn't feel strong enough. Instead of regenerating the whole thing, I can literally just click the text. I select the main title, rewrite it into something punchier, and instantly the typography updates naturally. Same style, same spacing, same layout, just better messaging. No broken composition, no starting over. It updates like a real designer refined the copy. Now here's where it gets insane. I command-click directly on the skincare bottle and tell Lovart, make the bottle frosted glass with a silver cap and add soft studio lighting. And the crazy part is, the background stays consistent, the composition stays locked, but the product instantly looks more premium and realistic. It feels like a professional product photo shoot, except it happens in seconds. And the best part is, you're not editing the whole image. With edit elements, I can isolate specific pieces, like the label border, the logo, or even just a small icon. For example, I select only the label frame, shift the color slightly, resize it, move it a bit higher, and nothing else gets affected. The typography stays perfect. The background stays untouched. Everything stays clean. This is the kind of control you normally expect from Photoshop or Figma, but it's happening inside an AI canvas. What I really like is how this moves beyond static visuals. Once the design feels right, it's easy to turn it into motion. Subtle animations, transitions, layouts that already feel made for social media. You're not just designing something pretty, you're creating content that actually performs. Everything stays consistent, which makes your feed, your brand, or your campaign instantly feel more professional. This is where Lovart quietly changes how you work. Instead of spending hours on one post, you can create multiple strong visuals in one session. Instead of switching between tools, everything lives in one place. Instead of fighting the software, you're collaborating with it. It lowers the effort required to show up consistently, and that's huge for creators, marketers, and small teams. Lovart isn't trying to replace creativity. It removes the friction around it. If you care about speed, quality, and actually enjoying the creative process, this is one of the most interesting AI design tools I've tested. If you want to try it yourself, I've linked it below. And if this kind of workflow breakdown helps you, let me know. I'll share more real-world use cases like this. I'll see you in the next one.